Today we're tackling a topic that might hurt some feelings: cars that were supposed to be reliable, but turned out to be mechanical traitors. These are the vehicles your friends said were bulletproof, the ones the brochure promised would go forever, the ones your neighbor swore by, right before they got towed away with the hazard lights still blinking. These are the reliable cars that will leave you stranded, and maybe leave your savings account stranded too. Before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what reliable car let you down the hardest? No shame here, we're all friends with trust issues now. Let's get into it. The 2007 to 2013 Mini Cooper, especially the turbocharged Cooper S, is a masterclass in false advertising. Fun? Yes. Fast? Sure. Reliable? Not even a little. Under the hood, you'll find timing chain tensioners that self-destruct, plastic coolant components that crumble, and electrical gremlins that make the car act like it's possessed. Oh, and the thermostat housing leaks, the oil consumption is outrageous, and carbon buildup is basically part of the user manual. It's a car that looks cheerful but breaks down like it just got dumped. You'll smile until you're stuck on the shoulder of the highway with steam coming out of the hood and your Bluetooth blasting ABBA. The Chevy Cruze was GM's attempt to build a world-class compact. What they gave us was a masterclass in how not to cool an engine. The 1.4-liter turbo engine is known for head gasket failures, coolant leaks, water pump issues, and PCV system problems that can leave you idling like a washing machine full of bricks. The Cruis Electronics also had a flair for the dramatic. Key fobs stop working, screens freeze, dash lights throw tantrums. It's like the car's in a constant state of emotional crisis. Used models are cheap, $4,000 to $8,000 cheap, but don't be fooled. It's cheap because no one wants to own two. This one's a heartbreaker. The 2012 to 2016 Ford Focus came with the infamous Powershift dual-clutch automatic, and if you've driven one, you probably thought, is it supposed to feel like this? Answer: number. It's not. Owners report jerky shifts, delayed acceleration, shuddering, stalling, and even total transmission failure. It's so bad, Ford was hit with class action lawsuits, buyback programs, and dealer techs who learned to keep Powershift parts in stock permanently. What's worse, these cars are still being sold as great commuters, which is technically true as long as you don't need to shift, stop, or accelerate. Ah yes, German reliability, a phrase that's either brilliant or comedy gold, depending on who you ask. The 2006 to 2010 Passat, particularly the 2.0 TFSI, suffered from timing chain tensioner failures, high oil consumption, and direct injection carbon buildup so bad it could choke a camel. And let's not forget coil pack failures, water pump issues, and electrical systems that behave like they're haunted by the ghost of Audi past. Even the interior electronics glitch like it's a Windows 98 demo unit. You'll be stranded, but at least you'll be stranded in leather seats, listening to half a song before the stereo resets. The E90 BMW 3 Series is the car that every enthusiast defends, right up until they actually own one. Sure, it drives like a dream, but under that sleek Bavarian skin? A checklist of common failures so long it has its own support group. We're talking electric water pumps that die with no warning, valve cover gasket leaks, oil filter housing leaks, crankcase vent issues, injectors, coils, iDrive malfunctions, and window regulators that forget how windows work. It's not a car, it's a relationship. A toxic one. You love it, but it makes you cry. And yet, you'll still tell people it's not that bad. Used E90s go for $5,000 to $12,000, which feels like a deal, until the first repair wipes out your emergency fund. And that wraps up our list of reliable cars that might just leave you stranded. They had the reputation, they had the hype, they even had solid reviews at launch. But in the real world, they've let down more drivers than gas station sushi. So remember, reliability isn't just a buzzword. It's something you'll really start to care about the second your bulletproof commuter leaves you broken down in the rain. Which of these cars fooled you, or which one would you still gamble on despite the risks? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest car reviews, buying tips, and automotive reality checks, right here on Petrol Magazine. Thanks for watching, and remember, just because the badge says reliable doesn't mean the tow truck won't be on speed dial.